Caterpillar Backhoe Pedal Tractor. This pedal's easy to go. Turn the wheel and steer. You can raise and lower the bucket. Different sizes. You can dump it. Backhoe spins around the whole way. You can hook a trailer onto the back of it even. Pull it. You can move the seat forward and back. It's very big. It's like the size of a Power Wheels tractor. But it's not heavy, so it doesn't take much to get it moving and pedal it.